Personal.
3, 2, 1, jump!
Can we get a what's up, MWG family? Welcome to today's vlog. It's right now 6 a.m. I'm in the Florida Keys. The sun is about to rise in about like 15 minutes. I can't wait to see for that. It's gonna be a beautiful sunrise. Hopefully I can fly the drone. Let's see. I'm the cook for breakfast, so I don't know if I have to do that duty. We're gonna see. But man, I can't wait to see Camp Sawyer in the light, because last time I've been here was before Hurricane Irma. And now after Hurricane Irma, I could already see there's a whole bunch of sand. But now I want to see if anyone's gonna run with me. If not, I'm gonna go back to editing. But before anything, I know you guys can't see it, but the stars are out and it is beautiful. Never seen anything like this in the city. Sunrise is in about 30 minutes, but before, we're gonna run. Look at this freshly built pier. Look, and there's a little cove right there. Where's the sun coming up? That's my question. Look, there's the old railroad right there. But I don't know if you can hear it in the microphone, but the winds are howling out here. This morning got a 2-mile run in, pretty nice. Wanted to get 3. We ran out of time. We got to cook for breakfast in about 15 minutes. I'm guessing we're going to leave the time lapse here. We'll see how long it gets to out here. It's super windy right now. I don't know if it's safe to fly the drone as of this moment. Maybe tomorrow. As of right now, I'm not flying the drone in these conditions. The sun is out, and now it's time for a good old breakfast.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me some paradise? Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Cooking some nice breakfast. Got the bacon, got the eggs. You gotta put the salt on the eggs though, and we don't have pepper.
Look at that. Look how good that looks. Good job, Guillermo.
I wanted some pancakes, but you know, they didn't want any pancakes. They just wanted eggs and bacon.
Life Lessons Apollo. It's the Apollo cooking show. Here we got our bacon, and here we got our scrambled eggs. Our scrambled eggs with a bit of salt, a little bacon piece, and you got eggs. It tastes awesome. The bacon. Look at this. See the bacon right here? Look at this. Would you look at that? Look at that. Ladies, get your man who can cook, but I'm taking it already. So when you're cooking the bacon, you guys gotta stir it. You gotta stir it, and don't be afraid of the grease. You gotta just put it on there, right? And once you put it on there, just don't be afraid of the oil. Yeah, this but is if you get splashed by the oil, it'll hurt.
This isn't a bad view, eating bacon at all. Beautiful. And the wind has finally calmed down, so I think I might fly my drone at sunset. That's looking more and more likely with the wind not as strong as, 40 miles per hour. But for the past like 2 hours, we've been working with some navigation, learning how the compass works, sea scout things. But I mean, whatever. We're here to have fun. Now we're about to play some football, maybe go in the ocean too. Who knows? Jack, have you gone in yet?
No.
All right, it's scary. It's scary down there. You can't see it.
All of us jump at once, and we just go out straight.
All right, we gotta go in.
How deep is it? Can you reach the floor?
Yeah, for sure. I could reach the floor like this.
Roberto, get in.
No, just thought I could reach the floor.
Oh, okay.
Hurry up, Roberto, get in.
Hurry.
Personal.
3, 2, 1, jump! No, I'll take an eye feel it.
You want me on your vegan? Right. You want me on your vegan?
Okay, so you just want this, right?
Sir. Can you hurry
up?
Yeah.
What?
Okay, anything else?
I'll take whatever that is.
Oh, I know you want mayonnaise.
No.
It's turkey ham.
Get me out of here. When we went swimming, this whole thing was dry. Now the tide's turning back in, and now the water's clear. And the pier is now underwater for sure. Like I said before, I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind, but the Keys are so cinematic. It's like beautiful, and we got the sunset going down right now. Oh man, my tripod just dropped. It's all so beautiful.
Does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause I'd cross a million seas. Would you do that for me?
Just look at that sun start to go beyond the horizon. When the sun sets, the party starts.
It's an orange. We're in Florida.
Florida oranges.
I deliver jokes really bad.
No,
Look
come
at
back.
it. Oh, it's disappearing
Come
by
back.
the second.
No.
No.
And
It's gone.
Roberto, call it.
That thing went fast.
It's gone. No! We're about to start a fire and eat dinner. You know what that means?
Montage.
Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be a paradise.
We start really low and we go raising our voice.
Guillermo. Guillermo. Guillermo.
Good morning, sunshine.
Tell me this doesn't look like the Fortnite campfire.
Wait. There you go. Yeah.
Bring the chug jug.
No one.
Yeah, I want steak too.
I want steak. Yeah,
It's almost past my bedtime
and
for
then we
s'mores,
got
though.
s'mores.
S'mores!
S'mores.
Mommy, smoke.
Can you bring me my
That's
smoke?
blue.
Hey,
And then the orange fire.
stop it.
That's a pretty cool contrast.
Stop it.
S'mores for life, burn life right there. Skirt steak for dinner was perfect. Burning a marshmallow 101 here.
You gotta get it burned so it's
You gotta get nice and crispy. A black marshmallow, the best of marshmallows.
Oh my God.
Apollo's getting that late night grinding.
That's
Ooh.
actually a really blunt machete.
Thank you for watching this Saturday. We got one more day here in Camp Sawyer. I can't wait for tomorrow. I mean, I really don't want to wait for tomorrow. But like, I mean, it's the last day here. It's sad. We had such a great Saturday and Friday night. Friday night was absolutely bonkers, and Saturday was filled with some crazy stuff too. But while you're still here, make sure you hit that little bell icon to stay notified whenever I post a video, and I'll see you in the next one.